What's up, y'all? It's Rhonda here. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a new video. This is going to be a get ready with me holiday edition because we're officially in the holiday season and we're doing hair, makeup, glam, all of that for our fun holiday party. So I decided to create this look for you guys. I partnered with Design Essential Hair Care to bring you guys this get ready with me. I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look. I'm also going to show you how I styled my hair. So I'm so excited to show you guys this. Whether your hair is relaxed or natural, the product just works. I will link below my shampoo and condition routine so that you guys can see that on how I actually get the shape of my hair. I'll link that below if you're interested in seeing that. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you this glam, I'm going to show you this hair, and we're going to get ready for the holidays. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rhonda and I create style and beauty content on my channel every single week. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you never, ever miss an upload. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this beautiful, flawless, classic hair and makeup look, guaranteed to slay at your holiday party, make sure you keep watching. Alright y'all, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you like it. Now it's time to talk about the hair. So I did wash my hair this morning and I did go ahead and mold it flat. And today I used the Design Essential Oat Protein and Henna Shampoo. This stuff is so great. I love this because it is for fuller, thicker, stronger, and like a deep cleansing shampoo. And my hair is so thick. And I love the fact that this does a really good job of really hydrating my hair and really cleaning my hair, which is really, really important to me with my hair being so thick. So I also use the leave-in conditioner. I use the Design Essential Bamboo and Silk HCO leave-in conditioner, and I just sprayed a little bit of this because I want my hair to have that hydration long term. And I've noticed that using a leave-in conditioner just does a really good job for me. This keeps my hair really light and fluffy so that I can style it and it just looks so good. I will link my actual shampoo routine below. I do have a short hair routine on my channel and I'm using the products, and just for the sake of time I'm just going to link that below so you guys can see how I wash it, mold it, and everything. Now when I molded it down, I did use the Design Essential Composition Foaming Wrap Lotion, which is a go-to for me because I love the fact that it does a really good job of keeping my hair in place and it provides hydration. So my hair is getting longer and I'm kind of in that transition period where here my hair is natural and it's relaxed back here. I'm trying to debate what my next steps are going to be. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you how I style my hair like this. I'm just going to blow out the top because my top is kind of long, so I do want my top a little bit more straighter. And then I'm going to curl it and we're going to be done. Once I blow it out, I'm going to go in with the Foaming Spritz by Design Essential. I know you guys are like, oh my god, Spritz, what? I use a styling spritz and I love this because it doesn't make your hair super hard or crunchy, but it is going to give you that hold, because hold is important, especially when you have short hair. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with a edge control. This is the Coconut and Manoi Moisturizing Edge Control Glaze that is just a favorite of mine, and I love it because it really does a great job at keeping my edges laid flat, because my hair, you guys can see, it is coming in natural. Like, it is getting its natural life together. And so I like this one because it provides a little bit more of a stiffer hold while my hair is growing out, especially with it being natural at the root. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish up this hair. So you guys will see my hair is all blown out. That's just enough for me. I don't want it too blown out. Like, this is good. So now I'm going to go ahead and curl it. Alright y'all, so I went and put on my earrings and my holiday top. So to finish off the look, I'm just going to comb my hair out now. Let me lift y'all up a little bit so y'all can see my heart. There we go. So I'm just going to comb my hair out and I'm going to shape it as I comb it. So you guys will see I'm like combing it up like this, because you guys know I like a lifted, like, mohawky look. And I'm using a wide tooth comb like this. I'm just combing it out. So this, you guys, is the final hair and makeup look for my holiday get ready with me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will link everything below that I talked about. Thank you so much again, Design Essentials, for partnering with me in this video to bring you guys this amazing hair. Like, my hair looks so good, right? Let me just show y'all, because your girl is proud of this hair. Okay? I'm proud. I'm proud. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Check the description bar below for everything. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.